One windy afternoon, Annea and Vihan were playing in their tree house when something fluttered through the window.
Wow!
An old golden map glowing with magical symbols. Whoa, look at that light. Eyes wide, Vihan tilted it closer. Find the rainbow crystal in the hidden valley of echoes. Without hesitation, they packed their explorer gear. As the evening sun turned golden, they followed it straight into the forest. And soon, everything began to glow with rainbow colors. Suddenly, a tiny voice squeaked, "Wait for me." A little firefly zipped over, shining pink and blue. "I'm Luna, guardian of the forest. Follow my light, brave ones. The forest will test your hearts." After hours of walking, they reached a bridge made entirely of floating white clouds. Below it was a glowing valley filled with stars. But as soon as they stepped onto it, the bridge sang in a windy voice, "Only truth can hold you high. Speak your heart or you will fly." The clouds laughed softly and turned solid. Luna giggled. "See, the forest loves honesty." On the other side, they found a huge cave filled with golden honeycombs and glowing mushrooms. A giant brown bear snored inside. Annea stepped forward carefully. Crack! A twig broke. The bear woke up, growling, "Who dares disturb my nap?" Vihan raised his hands. "Sorry, Mr. Bear. We're on a quest for the rainbow crystal." The bear squinted, then chuckled. "Ah, little heroes. No one calls me Mr. Bear. I'm Grumble, and I like your manners." He gave them each a golden berry. "Eat this when fear finds you. It gives courage from the heart." At last, they reached the hidden valley. Mist swirled all around, glowing faintly. Every sound they made echoed softly. "Hello, hello, hello." Suddenly, the mist darkened. A tall figure appeared, cloaked in black stars. The Shadow Wizard. "So," he boomed, "you seek my crystal." Annea took a deep breath. Not to steal it, to protect its light. The wizard's eyes glowed silver. Many have said that. None were true. He raised his staff, and the air filled with swirling shadows. Luna shouted, "Eat the berries." Annea and Vihan bit into the golden berries. Instantly, their courage shone like fire, bright, pure light bursting from their hearts. Luna glowed brightly, circling them like a ring of stars. The darkness cracked apart. The Shadow Wizard slowly lowered his staff. "You speak the truth. The rainbow crystal belongs to hearts like yours, brave and kind." He lifted his hand, and a glowing gem rose into the air. The rainbow crystal, shining with every color of the world. The forest shimmered as they walked home. Grumble waved from his cave. Luna twirled above them, and the stars blinked brighter than ever. Back in their tree house, Annea placed the rainbow crystal on their table. It glowed softly, lighting up the night. Vihan yawned. "Best adventure ever."
Moral of the story: bravery isn't about not being afraid. It's about helping each other, telling the truth, and believing in the light inside your heart.